Hi everyone, this is Adonis Anastasiou, and in this course I'm going to show you step by step on how to create effective Google Ads campaigns so you can increase your leads and sales. I'm the founder of Adonis Business Academy, an academy that provides approved and accredited diplomas in digital marketing, Google Ads, social media management, and many more. So I have more than 10 years of experience building, creating, and managing Google Ads campaigns. In this specific course, I'm going to show you step by step in a simple terms so you can easily follow my lead in order for you to create ads that will appear in Google search, ads that are going to be appear in the Google Display Network, which is a network with more than 2 million websites that accept Google Ads, and of course YouTube videos. So join the course, pay close attention to every video, and always go back and see the details that I specify and I indicate in my videos. See you at the course.